Wanna know how to change your language in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. Now, once you've opened up your application, you should be provided with this window right here. And on the top of the navigation bar, you need to simply navigate towards Tools right here. Just simply select Tools, and on the bottom, you should be seeing Options. Just simply select Options, and a new window should pop up. Now, once you're under new window, on the top navigation bar again, just simply head towards Fonts and Colors right here. Now, once you selected Fonts and Colors, here you should be seeing Languages. Make sure you are under Syntax, and under Syntax, you should be seeing Languages. Now, just simply select the All Language drop down, and then change the language as you want. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.